Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and today we're going to be going over how much money I've made in the past year on YouTube with me being monetized just last year around October. So it hasn't been a full year yet, but it's about to be in the next month. Now, very few YouTubers actually go through their analytics and show how much they're actually making. So since I'm doing this, could you guys please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, as it would help this video grow and get lots of views. And hopefully the goal of this video is that I can make money off this video showing you guys how much money I make. Now, I'm not sure why this is such a taboo topic on YouTube and no one ever wants to show how much they're making. I guess maybe because some of the big dogs on YouTube are pulling in some serious cash. But as a small YouTuber myself, I'm not really pulling in that much money, so that's maybe why I'm comfortable with sharing how much I make. So I'm just going to go over a few analytics that you guys might find interesting. And just to give a refresher on my channel, I'd say my channel mostly consists of tutorial videos. Those are the videos that do the best on my channel. And with tutorial videos, they don't get a lot of views on the day you post the video. However, over time, they'll accumulate a lot of views and get you money over time, which is really nice. So you're going to see a constant trend with just in the past 28 days with the views. They stay around the same. I get around like a couple thousand views per day. And if we look at the money, that's like a couple dollars every day, which is not too bad. So like 9, 5, 7, you know, pretty average, below $10 every single day, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it can add up over time. But you're going to randomly see a little spike here where I get $49. And this usually happens on my channel when a error or something happens in a game that I have a fix for, and then all of a sudden that video will spike. It will get a lot of views, and in return I'll get some moolah for it. But as you can see, this is a one-day spike, so I'm assuming just some bug happened in a game. A bunch of people searched my video for the fix, and then look at the next day, we're back down at 5. So you guys may have noticed in the past 28 days I've made $210, and that's pretty decent for my standards. However, $210 in a whole month is not going to get you anywhere in life. Unfortunately, it's not enough for me to quit my part-time job, although I wish I could. Maybe if this was like $400, I would definitely think about quitting my part-time job, but $200 is just not going to cut it. So going over to the revenue tab, you guys are going to see some things like this playback based CPM, which is extremely high. And the reason is because all my videos are pretty child friendly. They're all just tutorial videos, so anyone could watch them, whether you're 80 years old or you are 5 years old. So that's why I feel like a lot of ads get placed on my video. Also, if you go down here, you can see the monthly estimates. So in June, I wasn't really pulling in as much, but now in like August, I pulled in a decent amount. In May, I pulled in a decent amount, but it kind of stays steady around like somewhere in the hundreds, which is pretty decent. And going down even more, we have our revenue sources, and pretty much all the money I make comes from ads and very little comes from YouTube Premium. Then right here, we can see ad types, what ads are actually making me the most amount of money. And I feel like this is pretty common for everyone. The skippable ads that are like 5 seconds right at the beginning of the video, that makes 50% of the revenue on my channel. Now, before we go into how much I've made in the past 2 years, I just wanted to show you guys something kind of frustrating. And if you're going into YouTube, you have to understand that you're going to get screwed over like this sometimes, and you just have to eat the bullet, even though it absolutely sucks. So as you guys can see, I uploaded this tutorial right here, which did extremely well. It has 280,000 views, which is like one of the most viewed videos on my channel. And as you can see, I was steady growing, getting money for this video. It was getting lots of good feedback, and then bam, it just randomly stops for almost an entire year. It stops at $62. And this is why you guys need to keep updated on your channel. See, I was dumb. I just never really paid attention to it, and I just let it sit like this. Well, what happened is some scummy YouTube creator, I have no idea who it was, copyright claimed this video when they had no right claiming the video, and stole all the money in this time period. So eventually, as you guys are going to see, in September 1st, I contacted YouTube and I said, hey, someone claimed my video and it's not theirs. And they went and checked, and sure enough, it wasn't their video. So they reinstated the money going back to me. So as you guys can see, the money is going up. And actually on the 14th, we had a really big day. So it's at $124, which you'd think, hey, that's not bad for a video. However, if I was getting the money during this time period, this video would probably made half a grand is my estimate, maybe even more. So it's kind of annoying that I got completely screwed out of all this cash and some scumbag just took it from me basically. So that's something you guys have to keep note of when you are a YouTuber. Make sure you're keeping updated with your channel. I'm not gonna lie, for this whole time period I just didn't really check out my analytics, and then I went to go check one day and bam, this is what happened. I literally probably lost over half a grand in cash. So that is a tip for any of you YouTubers. Make sure you stay updated with your own channel. This is a stupid mistake of mine and I will definitely learn from this and never let it happen again. So now on to the part that everyone cares about, how much money I've made in the past year. And like I said, I haven't been monetized for a full year, about 11 months, but that's basically a year, so we're just gonna say it's a year. So in the last 365 days I have made about $2,000. Now this is an estimated revenue, so it could be like a tiny bit less than 2,000, like maybe 1,950, but the estimated is honestly very spot on with how much I get paid out. So you can see on the timeline in around, I want to say, yeah, the end of September is once I got fully monetized, and then you can see it's kind of just steady with like a couple dollars a day. Then we'll have some random spikes like this one where I made $77 in one day, so that's a really awesome day for me, but it's pretty average. Every once in a while we'll get a random spike and then it will just go back down to the normal, and then we got another spike here, but pretty consistent patterns. Also, you may notice that I was going super hard with the videos over here, and then over time I just kind of died out. I really want to start uploading on this channel again. I don't know why I don't. I upload more on the two channels I'm not monetized on than the channel I am monetized on, which is just kind of ridiculous. But as you can see, my CPM is $4.91. Now this is a CPM I'm pretty proud of. I am grateful that I have a high CPM like this. If you look at other YouTubers, maybe like the Nelk Boys, I'm pretty sure they only have like a 1 CPM, and they actually got restricted from YouTube, so now they don't make any money. But before that, they only had a $1 CPM, which kind of sucks. So yeah guys, as you can see, my highest earning month was, I believe, January, which is actually hilarious because if you know, any YouTubers always complain about January because that's their least earning month, but surprisingly it's my highest earning month. And the reason it's usually YouTubers' least earning month is because the ads aren't as prominent in January, just because they're so big in December. December is usually the biggest month for every YouTubers. If you notice that YouTubers upload a ton in December, there's a reason for that. That's because the ads are so juicy in December. And here's some proof to fact check that up. The highest CPM is actually in December. If you don't know what CPM is, it's the price that advertisers are paying for their ads per 1,000 views. So $7, that's extremely high, and that's only in December. So lastly, I just wanted to go over to our top earning videos in the past 365 days. And our most earning video is this how-to video, which has $434. Now this kind of cheeses me because if you remember my other video that had 280,000 views, and it only has like what, $100 earned, that video would have had like $434 plus more money earned on it if it didn't get claimed by that absolute scumbag. And the dumbest thing about that whole situation is that the scumbag should have paid me after he got caught claiming my video, but instead YouTube just said go screw yourself and he's gonna keep all the cash, which just doesn't make any sense. So if you guys feel bad for me, let me know in the comments, leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys did enjoy everything. I hope you guys did enjoy this in-depth video on how much I make in all my analytics. I know not many YouTubers are very open about this stuff, but honestly, I hope this motivates some people to make better YouTube videos, so hopefully they can make some cash on YouTube one day. My goal is to make enough off YouTube so that I don't have to work my part-time job anymore, but we'll see how that goes in the next upcoming year. Anyways, it's been the Sauce from the Viral Kingdom. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace. See ya later.